In your earlier classes, you have learned how to multiply two or more real numbers. For example, 4 into 4 is 16, 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 is 27, 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 4 times is 625, and so on. But think of a situation where you have to multiply 8 15 times. How difficult it is to write 8 into 8 into 8 15 times. To overcome this difficulty, we introduce exponential notation. Let us see what is the meaning of exponential notation. You multiply 7 by 7. This is written as 7 to the power 2. 4 into 4 into 4, 4 multiplied by 4 3 times is written as 4 to the power 3. 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 4 times is written as 5 to the power 4. So, the notation for writing the product of a number by itself several times is called the exponential notation or exponential form. 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 20 times is written as 5 raised to power 20, where 5 is the base and 20 is the power. Therefore, you can say that exponential notation can be used to write the product of a rational number by itself a number of times. Likewise, 1 by 2 multiplied by 1 by 2 multiplied by 1 by 2 multiplied by 1 by 2 15 times is written as 1 by 2 to the power 15, where 1 by 2 is the base and 15 is the power or the exponent. Minus 1 by 3 multiplied by minus 1 by 3 multiplied by minus 1 by 3 20 times is written as minus 1 by 3 to the power 20, where base is minus 1 by 3 and power is 20 or the exponent is 20. In general, we can say that if a is any rational number multiplied by itself m times, then it is written as a raised to power m, where a is the base and m is the power. Let us evaluate 2 by 3 raised to power 3. Now, here base is 2 by 3 and power is 3. Since the power is 3, the exponential form says that 2 by 3 is multiplied to itself how many times? 3 times. Therefore, it is 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 3 times. So, in the numerator it is 2 into 2 into 2 3 times, and in the denominator it is 3 into 3 into 3 3 times. So, in the numerator what do you have? You have 2 to the 4 to the 8, and in the denominator you have 3 3 is 9 3 is 27. Therefore, 2 by 3 raised to power 3 is equal to 8 by 27. Learners, let us now find some of the given numbers in exponential form. Suppose you have given some numbers and we want to write them in exponential form. Let us see how we can write them in exponential form. For example, suppose you have given minus 3 multiplied by minus 3 multiplied by minus 3 multiplied by minus 3 6 times. Here the base is minus 3 and how many times it is multiplied to itself? 6 times. Therefore, you can write it as minus 3 raised to power 6, where exponent is 6. Let us write the following in exponential form. Now, suppose you have given a number 625 and we want to write it in the exponential form. You know very well that 625 you can write as 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5, because 5 5s is 25, 25 5s is 125 and 125 5s is 625. So, the number 5 is multiplied to itself how many times? 4 times. Therefore, the exponential form will be 5 raised to power 4, where 5 is the base and 4 is the power. Let us simplify some of the numbers. Suppose you have given 3 by 4 raised to power 3 multiplied by 2 by 3 raised to power 4. We want to write this expression in simplified form. First of all, we will evaluate 3 by 4 raised to power 3. 3 by 4 raised to power 3 is equal to 3 by 4 multiplied by 3 by 4 multiplied by 3 by 4 3 times, which is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 divided by 4 into 4 into 4. Next number is 2 by 3 raised to power 4, which is 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 4 times, which can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 in the numerator, and in the denominator it is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 4 times. Now, the total expression 3 by 4 raised to power 3 multiplied by 2 by 3 raised to power 4 can be written as 3 into 3 into 3 divided by 4 into 4 into 4. This expression multiplied by 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 4 times divided by 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 4 times. And on simplification, you will cancel out 3 in the numerator and in the denominator. You will cancel out 2 and 2 in the numerator to the 4 in the denominator, and you will be left with 1 by 12. So, the expression which we had 2 by 3 raised to power 4 multiplied by 3 by 4 raised to power 3 has been reduced to a simple number 1 by 12. So, learners, we learned that if a expression is given, we can write that expression in the exponential form, and if a number is given in the exponential form, we can simplify it.